Hello friend, today in this tutorial we are going to learn how to configure anonymous SMB or anonymous Samba server inside Ubuntu Linux. Okay, so first of all you need to open the terminal of your Ubuntu Linux. So I just open the terminal. I'm going to zoom it so that you guys can see the code clearly. So the screen is big. Now check the IP address using ifconfig. So the IP address of this machine is 192.168.29.230. Okay. So this is the IP address of this machine. On this machine, I am going to configure anonymous Samba server, or you can say anonymous SMB. So for that, sudo apt. If you want to log in as a root, you can log in as a root like sudo root, and you can type the root password and done. Now clear the screen so that you don't have to, like you can see the screen clearly. Apt install Samba. This is the name of the package you need to install. Press Y if you want to install. Yes. So Y for yes. So when it asks you, do you want to continue? Press Y. Y for yes. And this will install the Samba package inside your system. Once the package will be installed, we will go to the configuration file of Samba. Okay. So remember, after package installation, Samba server configuration is must. It's compulsory. So clear the screen and done. Screen has been cleared. Now go to the Samba directory. cd etc Samba. This is the Samba directory. Run ls command. Here you see a file smb.conf. Now I am going to smb.conf using nano editor, nano smb.conf, and inside this is the configuration file of Samba. Inside this file I am going to make certain changes in the last line. So go down, okay, scroll down and move to the last line of the file. So what you see here, you have to make or you have to add certain changes. So you can see write list root and whatever is mentioned here. After that you have to write here some codes. Okay. So first one is security is equal to user. Then you have to type map to guest is equal to bad user. Okay, this is the second line. Now after that press enter, and then in the bracket, capital bracket, create a directory like shares. I want to share this directory, so shares, and then path is equal to which path I want to share, where www. Okay, www. This is the path I want to share. Available is equal to yes. Read only is equal to no, because we don't want only read only. We want write also, like upload permission also. Browsable is equal to yes. Yes, anyone can browse. Public is equal to yes. Yes, it's a public one. Okay, after equal to make it a space little bit so that you can be clear. And then writable. Writable means anyone can write. Yes. The user who is able to access Samba can write. Yes. Guest okay is equal to yes. You just made certain changes and done. Once done, press Ctrl X. It's asking, do you want to save? Yes. Y for yes, and press enter and done. The configuration has been saved inside this file. Now go to cd where www folder. Folder is not there, so cd we are going to create that folder mkdir where www. Okay, I created that directory. Then go to the directory cd where www, and there for demo we are creating a file. Suppose any file you want to create. So let me create a file here, nano file.txt. Write anything. Hi, hello, Satish Tiwari here from Ethical Hiking Tuition Center. Okay, and just save it. Okay, so I just save it, and I am assuming that SMB is ready to launch. So let's start the service. Service SMBD restart, and after service restart, I expect from any client it is possible that anyone can see the data. So for that, I am going inside my Windows machine, going to Windows R, but before that I need to check my IP address again. If config, that is 230 IP. Now to test the Samba server, we need a Kali Linux. I am going to a Kali Linux machine. Inside that machine, I am logging as a root. Let me zoom the screen so that you can see it. Okay, so that you guys can see the code. Now here I have to type SMB client -L and the IP address of Samba server, that is 192.168.29.230, and it's asking for password group. Okay, so password group nothing. Okay, so just press enter here, and you see that print shares that has been share folder that has been shared has been mentioned here. Okay, and it's saying that IP service YouTube server Samba Ubuntu, the machine of the Ubuntu machine, and you can see this is the IP address of that client machine, server machine 230. This is the machine. Now what if you want to share it? So you can directly type SMB client and then IP address of the Samba server, and then you have to just type the folder name which you have given in the, and press enter. See, you are inside the Samba server. Here if you type ls, you will see that file which you have created on the Samba server, file.txt. Okay, if you type get file.txt, this file will be downloaded. Okay, this file will be downloaded. Let's exit from here Samba and now come to Linux machine ls, and you can see the file cat file.txt. Remember, this is the file we have created on the Samba machine. This is the file we have created on the Samba machine. You see, this is the file cat file.txt, same data. Okay, and in this way you can connect with anonymous SMB server. But remember, this is very easy for attacker to attack or get login or capture the data from the anonymous SMB service or anonymous Samba server. So if you have configured anonymous Samba server, that is security is too low and hackers can log into your system. That's why it's important to enable enable some login name and password for your Samba, some security for your Samba. I have already uploaded a video how to secure it. You can watch that. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe.